Hello and welcome back to the second part of the how to install Qmailtoaster on a CentOS 5.6 system presented by Qmailtoaster.com. If this is your return to this video, we're going to continue installing the Qmailtoaster software onto CentOS 5.6. If you are new, you probably want to watch the first video where we do the first part of this process of installing Qmailtoaster onto our CentOS system. Otherwise, this video is not going to make a whole lot of sense to you. Now that all the packages are built, it's asking you if we want to go ahead and update the system, letting you know Qmail will be stopped. That's not such a big deal since we, don't have Qmail installed already, so we'll go ahead and we'll say yes here. And it'll go ahead and it'll start to build the packages and get them installed onto the system for you. The packages do have to be installed in a very specific order. qtp-newmodel will take care of that for you. This is all part of the standard installation process. This generator of the keys does take a couple, at least 30 seconds to a minute. Once it's done, it'll finish installing the rest of the packages for you. And it runs some tests when it's all done. Then it asks if you want to remove the source RPMs. Well, since we don't really need those any longer, we'll go ahead and we'll say yes here because we don't need to keep those around and might as well save on the space. It's going to ask if you want to remove the binary RPMs. We'll go ahead and we'll say yes here. We already have it installed, so there's no reason to keep the binaries around. We can always rebuild them later. And lastly, it asks you if you want to remove the overlay or sandbox. And here we'll definitely say yes to go ahead and get rid of that since our system is installed or upgraded and we don't need that any longer as well. We'll go ahead and issue a qmailctl stat command. And here you can see all of our daemons have been up and running for about 44 seconds. So the total system is now installed, up and running. You now have a fully installed and full-featured Qmailtoaster system on a CentOS 5.6 system. We look forward to seeing you over at Qmailtoaster.com as well as on the user mailing list.